Now we're gonna make this really pretty. It could be a gift package topper for a wedding, or you could actually use it as a hairpiece. So I'm gonna get started. I'm taking my silver Bowdabra bow wire and folding it in half, and I'm gonna lay this down in my regular Bowdabra. I'm just tucking the ends under so they stay out of my way. The next thing I'm gonna do is take my pink tulle, and we're gonna make a really easy scrunchy bow with my tulle. So I'm just gonna center my tulle into the Bowdabra, and I'm just gonna scrunch everything down into the Bowdabra. And I'm gonna take my Bowdabra wand and push everything down. Then I'm gonna take this really pretty, it's kind of a pearl edge, but it is wire luminescent sheer. And I'm just gonna twist my ribbon, and I'm gonna fold it back over here and twist. And I'm just gonna finish off with this little piece here. And again, I'm gonna take my wand and just scrunch everything down into the Bowdabra. Then I have these really pretty, whoops, stuck in my wire, just wedding garland with the nice cute little wedding bows on there, and it's wired so I'll be able to shape it. Then I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, and the reason I folded it in half is because now I have a slip knot. So I'm going to pull the two ends through my slip knot, hold my bow while I pull it really, really tight. So now I take the bow out of the Bowdabra and I'm not struggling with it. I'm gonna just take my ends, I'm gonna bring them around to the back. Just shape the garland the way you like it. And all you have to do is use your wire to tie onto either a hair clip or onto the ribbon that you wrap around your package. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.